Set. So these are all the transactions we are doing. Now I am going to set up. See here. Setup. We'll create a transaction source where it comes. We can see a transaction type. See, already I created. Invoice. First to sign. Open. Not print. Start date may be given. So I can create old transaction also. It is open, receivable, post to GL, everything enabled. Okay, right. So already I created like this transaction source. So now in the normal transaction, I am going to pull this. So this is what they said. Do the setup here. Already close looping it. Okay, maybe we give the old date. Okay. Oh, our batch source is later. We created today only, right?
Yes.
So it is not accepting today's date. From date, at least we would have changed. Same thing, going to the line item. Select inventory. This comes from the inventory module. Save. So anyway, accounting, we have to check the depreciation distribution. You can see the revenue account is not filled. Okay.
Okay.
Here account is not. So you have to give the revenue. Save. Complete. That's it. If you see, invoice has been created. Now I see how the invoice sample for printing will enable. If you click that lens button, you can see. So this is how your invoice will look. You can take a print. Okay. And attachment, if you want to send through mail, you can add your company logo.
Okay.
You can add the attachment and send. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So you can practice transaction source. Okay. Transaction types, all types, and sorry.
No, sir, you're saying.
So